Hey guys, welcome to the Volksmaster channel. Today I'm going to be talking about something that's probably happened to all of us at some point. Car dents. Dents can be a real eyesore and they can also decrease the value of your car. But what if I told you there was a way to get rid of those dents without having to take your car to a traditional body shop? That's where mobile dent repair comes in. Mobile dent repair is a process that uses specialized tools and techniques to remove dents from your car without damaging the paint. It's a quick, convenient and affordable way to get your car looking like new again. There are many benefits to choosing mobile dent repair over traditional body shop methods. First, it's much more convenient. With mobile dent repair, the technician comes to you so you don't have to waste time dropping off your car and waiting for it to be repaired. Second, mobile dent repair is usually much more affordable than traditional body shop methods. What types of dents can be repaired with mobile dent repair, you may ask? Not all dents can be repaired with mobile dent repair, but most minor to moderate dents can be repaired using this method. Some of the most common types of dents that can be repaired with mobile dent repair include door dings, bumper dents, fender dents, hail damage. How does mobile dent repair work? The mobile dent repair process is actually quite simple. First, the technician will clean the area around the dent. Then they will use a special tool to massage the dent from behind the panel. Once the dent is removed, the technician will use a finishing tool to smooth out the area. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable mobile dent repair service, I highly recommend you try Volksmaster. We are a leading provider of automotive services in North Manchester. We offer a wide range of mobile smart repair services, including paintless dent repair, scratch repair, and alloy wheel repair. We also offer a satisfaction guarantee. Our motto is confidence in quality. We have thousands of satisfied customers, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible service. These videos are bloody genius. Oh wait, are we still recording? Best delete that last bit.